Now more than ever, the number 7 stands for driving pleasure, long-distance comfort and pioneering technology. Just a few months after the world premiere of the fully electric BMW i7, more new options are set to join the lineup of drive systems available for the new BMW 7 Series in November 2022. A performance profile injected with extra sporting potency and an aura of top-end dynamism mark out the new BMW M760e xDrive. This is the first performance car from BMW M with a plug-in hybrid drive system. The combustion engine is a 3-liter 6-cylinder inline unit with M TwinPower Turbo technology, a rated output of 380 horsepower and rated torque of 520 Nm. And it teams up with a new electric motor to generate system output of 571 horsepower, with temporary boost, and system torque of 800 Nm. The new BMW M760e xDrive accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 4.3 seconds and completes the mid-range sprint from 50 to 75 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds. In so doing, the BMW M760e xDrive combines intoxicating performance attributes with the option of locally emission-free driving pleasure in urban areas and beyond. M-specific design features, interior trim and cockpit displays also dovetail neatly with the sedan's ambience of modern luxury. Innovative features such as the BMW Theater Screen, the multi-sensory vehicle experience BMW iDrive with the latest generation of BMW Operating System 8, plus the BMW Curve display and the Maneuver Assistant for automated parking and maneuvering, highlight the progressive character of the luxury sedan. In addition to the enhanced level of comfort and the unique in-car entertainment system, the executive lounge option for the rear with optimized reclining seat position and new BMW individual merino leather/cashmere wool interior trim takes a pioneering route to maximizing well-being inside the car. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe, share.